Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechAns. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to access my Microsoft Edge browser, and it shows this page is having a problem, and followed by it also shows one error code. So how to fix this kind of problems? So anyway, let's go to our tutorial, and here I show the two methods to fix this problem. And the first method is you can check if your Edge browser is updated or not. So how to check it? So now in this homepage section, in right side up top, it shows horizontal three dots icon. So just press this icon and then select help and feedback, and it shows some subcategories. So here you can go to about Microsoft Edge, and it starts to checking. So finally it shows Microsoft Edge is up to date, and this is method 1. So next method is, so now in this homepage section, same way you can press that three dots icon and then go to settings. So in left side it shows some settings. So here you can go to reset settings and then press restore settings to their default values, and it asks for confirmation. So you can select reset. So now my settings are resetted successfully. So after you done these processes, so just I try to close my Edge browser, and don't forget to restart your Windows PC. So after the restarting is completed, now one more time I try to access my Edge browser. So now this time I try to access Google, because I try to check it if my Edge browser is works or not. So finally you can see this Google website is opening successfully, and it does not show any other error notifications, and the previously occurred error message is also gone. So this is the way you can easily fix your Microsoft Edge browser error notifications by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechAns, and thanks for watching.